Hi, it's Ellie and today I'm here with my first YouTube video. So excited to be doing this. I've wanted to do it for so long. I've filmed so many videos, edited so many videos. I've just been too scared to post and I've just been getting quite bored in lockdown, so I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna go for it. So today we're doing a Stitch Fix unboxing. So if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, I'm just going to explain it now, and if you do know what it is, I'm going to put the timestamp here so you can just skip to that time and you'll be able to just see what I've got in the box. So basically Stitch Fix is a subscription service for clothes, so you can choose it to have it as however often you like. I have it every month, but I've changed it to every 2 months just because I just lost my job. So yeah, you can have it as however often you want. And what happens is you pay £10 a month subscription fee, and a stylist picks out 5 items for you based on like your style profile, so that like you answer all these questions about what kind of clothes you like, and then they pick 5 items for you based on that, tailored to like your needs and everything, and send it to you. You get like a returns label with it, so that you just keep what you want basically and give them feedback, and then you pay for whatever you want. If you keep everything in your box, you get 20% off, and you get like the £10 styling fee back. I don't know if that makes sense, it's quite hard to explain. So like if you pay the £10, they pick the stuff, you get the stuff, you just then pay for what you keep. If you're better always just like keeping one thing, and then you get like the £10 off for the fee. I think that makes sense. So I'll just show you what I got in my box this month. The jumper I'm wearing I actually got last month. I love this colour. It's so like, I don't know, I just love it. Yes, I really like everything in my box this month. I don't think I'm going to keep it all because some of the stuff is more like quite expensive. You do put in like your pricing limits, and for some reason they give me some stuff that's like above my pricing limit. But I'm not sure. I definitely won't be keeping it all. Yeah, so I've got like a list of how much everything costs, and then they give you like a little styling card. So they just explain why they've picked what you've picked for you, and then they've got like pictures of different outfits using the stuff. So like they actually put in quite a lot of thought to what they choose for you, and they look at whatever you ask for and things as well. So yeah, let's just dive into my box. So the first thing I've got is this black top. It's from the brand Edited. I don't know if this is just like, they've got like some of their own brands. So it's like a turtleneck black top. It's so hard to see. I know how hard it is to see black stuff on camera, but it's just like a turtleneck with like puffy shoulders, and it's ribbed. And this is a size 34. I don't know what that corresponds with in UK sizes, and it's meant to be £29. It's quite thick actually, but it's more like a t-shirt than a like jumper. It's not a jumper, it's t-shirty. So here's the first top on. So it's got just like the puffy shoulders, and it's just like a fitted top. It's maybe like a wee bit big for me actually. But yeah, I do like it. Just not the best fit, I don't think. And the next item I got is this jumper. So it's just like a white, so it's just like a white sweatshirt with, well, it's cream more than white, with a little black or navy, I think maybe navy, embroidered stars like all over the front and back. I think this is so cute for like lounging around the house. This one is from their own brand, so you can only get this Mauvette brand from Stitch Fix. £42, which is actually quite expensive for a jumper. And this one's a size 6. So here's this sweatshirt on. I actually really like this one. I think it's quite cute for just like chilling, comfy wear, you know. I mean, me and white don't really go, or cream, just because I don't want a spiller. Maybe cute with like jeans, and then like with joggers and stuff as well if you want to go super comfy. And it's not too tight either. I wasn't sure because it's a 6. I didn't know if it was going to be a little bit tight, because I'm kind of like in between a 6 and an 8. But I just really like the fit in that outfit. What do you think? The next thing I got is a cardigan. I honestly love this. I don't know what it is about knitwear. I am a knitwear fiend. as you can probably tell, I've got a knitted jumper on, and I've got something knitted in my next video. I can tell you that now because I've already filmed it. So yeah, it's just like a cardigan in like a little kind of beigey stone colour, and it's got buttons, but there's no buttonholes for like the top 2 buttons, so it's just like for decoration. And I just think this is so cute. This is in a size extra small. It's from the brand Fila, and it's £35. Here's the cardigan. I think it's just so pretty. It's just like a nice like oatmeal-y colour, and I think it'll be nice to just like throw on with things. So you can just like leave it open, close it. I don't know, I seen it and instantly was like a bit of me that. The next thing I got in the box is a pair of workout leggings. So these are black and they're like slightly cropped. I was gonna try and say 7/8 because I think that's what it says on the label, 7/8. They're from the brand Sweaty Betty. It's not a brand I've ever heard of before, but they're expensive. So they've got panels of like mesh on them. I don't know if you can see it on camera there, and they've got wet like panels too, and they've also got a pocket at the back, so if you're wearing them to work out you can chuck your phone in and go for it. These are £85. 85, which is so pricey for a pair of leggings. I mean, they might be amazing, but yeah, so they're just a bit pricey for me personally, but they do look quite nice. I'm quite excited to try everything on properly and show you. Okay, and then we've got the leggings. These are going to be an absolute nightmare to show. But yeah, so we've got like the mesh panels at the back. I don't even know if you can see, and then like the kind of wet like one down the side. They're nice and they fit so well, very comfortable, make my mum look pretty good, but I am not paying £85 for a pair of leggings. I know I keep going on about the price, but it's just a lot, isn't it? So the next thing we've got is a dress, and this is from the brand Only. So it's like a midi dress, and it's this like, it's kind of like, it's not animal print, but it's like a graphic beige and black print, so I think you could mistake it for leopard print when you look at it, but it's not, and it's belted at the waist. It's meant to be £35, so quite like, I think it's really pretty. We'll see when we try it on. Yeah, so next we've got the dress. I think I'll get on and take a picture of me wearing it so you can see it properly. So yeah, it's just like mid calf length, straight down, ties at the waist to kind of like soak you in. I don't know, I quite like this. I feel like it's quite casual, you can just tuck it on, pair of ankle boots, good to go. Or with your docs even, that would look maybe smart. I feel like I look like a teacher. What do you think? I got a dress a bit like this in the last box, but I haven't actually worn it yet, so that's kind of putting me off this one. I mean, obviously I've not been anywhere, but I mean, when am I going to go anywhere? So for everything it comes to £226, which is quite a lot for just 5 things, and there's the 20% discount is £45.20, so if you were to actually take everything it'd only be £170.80. I'm not sure why I'm showing you that, but I'm definitely not keeping everything. I think I'll maybe keep one thing this month, just because I don't have a wage coming in anymore, so I can't afford to buy as much as I normally would. So now that I've tried everything on, please let me know what you think of everything and what things you think I should keep and what you think I should get rid of. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take photos of everything and post on my Instagram stories with polls, so that'll be up now when you're watching this video, and you just vote on what you want, what you like and what you don't like, basically, just so that I know. I think I'm definitely going to keep the cardigan, but I don't know everything else. Like, I'm not keeping the leggings, I'm not sure on the dress or jumper. Like, I like that starter jumper, but I don't know. Just let me know what you think, okay? Yeah, let me know if you enjoyed this. If you did enjoy this, I'm going to do them a bit more often whenever I get the boxes in. hopefully I will get a better backdrop or something for filming them, because it's so difficult standing on my sofa so that you can see what I'm doing. I mean, I might edit it out, but I did fall off at one point. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this first video of mine. It was so much fun to make. I mean, it was a bit of a disaster, but we'll get there. We'll get there. It's all a learning experience. If you want to see how I did this makeup look, I'm doing a chatty tutorial. Well, I did do a chatty tutorial that'll be up. I did do like a chatty get ready with me, which will be up through the week at some point. So if you subscribe, you won't miss it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you all later. Goodbye. When I showed Aaron everything earlier, he was like, oh yeah, it's all very nice. Oh my god. Just fell off my sofa.